Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can blend two videos in CapCut PC using Mist. Alright, so import your video you like to blend and just drag the track, and for the second clip you are just going to make it as an overlay put on top on another clip, and it just for duration with the same length. So and select for the um, overlay, and then go to mesh and select split, and then you can rotate in 90 degrees. Select for the main video, and you can just for the position just drag and swipe to the left. For the overlay, turn up the mesh and swipe to the right, turn on again, and just for the mesh in the middle. Alright, so and you can adjust for the length. So that's it. Sorry, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.